and welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are quickly introducing our brand new paper collection, Gotta Have Gingham. These papers are so gorgeous and perfect for spring and summer, and we have them in both 12 by 12 papers and 6 by 6. First up, we have Elsie, and it's this gorgeous turquoisey mint color, and we have the straight gingham on the front and the diagonal gingham on the back. Then we have Ruth, and it's this gorgeous blue color. It's just perfect for skies. I love it so much. Next we have Mabel, which is this really great lavender color. And then on the back we've got the diagonal and a little kind of grid paper along the bottom in that little strip. Here we have the Georgia paper. Oh, this pink is so beautiful. I just think it's gorgeous. Then we have Daisy, and it's such a great neutral because it's like a buttery yellow, and then with the diagonal on the back. And then last but not least, we have Nellie, which is really a great, wonderful gray, and I really love using this for kind of backgrounds on my cards. Here is a comparison of the 6 colors in this collection and how just gorgeous they all are together. Now here is a look at the 6 by 6 pad, and these patterns are reduced by about 50%, and you can see all of these gorgeous patterns here that are perfect for card making. One of the things that I love about the 6 by 6 pad is that we actually have 3 of each paper in there, so you don't have to hoard the papers because you got 3 of each, so you can make a ton of cards with the total of 36 sheets that are in here. And I just love these. They're just subtle, pretty backgrounds for cards. They're just really great for card bases, and also using them for things like sky and stuff like that too. And then here's where you're going to see how the patterns of papers repeat. So there you can see that we've got 3 of each paper there that repeat in that pad. Now next up, I wanted to show you a comparison of the 6 by 6 versus the 12 by 12. And sometimes I like the smaller print and sometimes I like the larger print. On the larger print, you've got the front and back for things like boxes. It's really good. And then the smaller print is really great for paper piecing or cards or doing little accents on your cards. And so here now you can see the comparison of the back side too. So it's nice to have both a large and small. So here's a look back at these papers. The collection pack has 2 of each of the 12 by 12 papers, and then the 6 by 6 pad has 3 of each of those smaller print papers for a total of 36 sheets. We also have the 12 by 12 papers in packs of 12, so you can get 12 of all of the same color, just in case you were going to be working on some invitations or something where you needed a lot of one color. Next up, I wanted to show you some gorgeous design team cards using these papers. Here's a card with that beautiful Nellie paper as the base of the card. And then here's another card where we use that same gray gingham, but almost as a floor for the little bathtub from Rub a Dub Dub. I love this card by Lizzie. It's so cute, and I love how she used that green gingham as the kind of sky of the card. Here the gingham is kind of the star of the show in Jen's pivot pop-up. So you can see on the front there we've got the gingham, and we also have it along the inside as well. And so I just think it's just such a pretty and bold look. Here Jen used the gingham paper to be the sky for her card. So it's just a way to kind of jazz up your skies and really create a fun look that's cute for spring. Here Elena had the same idea of having that gingham blue as her sky, which is such a cute look. Here we created the card with the mabel, the purple color, which is just so pretty behind those flowers. And then I love how Elena has that gingham on her Easter egg. It's just so sweet. Ivy created her entire card there from that yellow gingham, and it's such a pretty look with those cute little hey there farm critters. And then here Shari has the gray as her background mixed with some of the perfectly plaid spring, and they really go nicely together. Yanea has the Gotta Have Gingham there popping through those windows, which is a really cool look. And then here this layout by Melissa is just gorgeous. I love her little squares of that gingham paper. It's just so pretty with those sweet pictures. And then here Shari created a really cute pink background with the yellow gingham sky and the green grass. It's adorable with that elephant. And then I love this card by Elena with that blue gingham background for a cute little spring card. This layout by Melissa is so sweet. I love how she cut the party balloons from the gingham. And then here, Letitia created an envelope with the gingham, which is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to try this. Here we have a super cute card by Lizzie. I love how she stamped her own custom paper with her words there, but then has the gingham in the background. It's just so sweet. And then here I love how Lynette has the gingham with her bunnies. It's just adorable. I love Elise's card with the gingham background and the gingham in the cute little picture frames too. And then this card by Lynette is so sweet. I love those little gingham backgrounds with the frame on top. It's just so cute for Easter. So I can't wait to see how you guys use the Gotta Have Gingham paper, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!